Hey everyone, it's Bonnie. Happy Thursday! I am back. Who wants to talk about the Lush Easter egg? Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so much fun. So, if you're not familiar with Lush, it's definitely like a carnival Willy Wonka experience. If you ever get into a Lush store, you're either going to be horrified by the overall aroma coming from the store because it's a really strong scent when you go into a Lush. But if you like the smell, you're going to be like dazzled by all of the stuff because they have like a wall of bath bombs. I remember the first time I went into a Lush store, I was like, what is this? This is like 6 or 7 years ago. And it was super exciting. And I've been a Lush fan ever since. And every year they do a golden egg for Easter. I think they skipped one year that I was reviewing. This year they've got the Eggcellent egg, and it is really psychedelic this year. Oh my gosh. So they give you this cute little stand, and then all of the Lush gifts are like handcrafted, which is pretty cool. I mean, they put everything, they like hand pack all of this stuff. So this is what the egg looks like this year. These are pricey, they're $50. They're currently sold out online. They are popular. So if you want a Lush egg, I would consider going into the store sooner than later because I have a feeling these are going to be sold out. But they're super fun. So I'm going to crack this open. There's a little piece of tape on the side. Unfortunately, sometimes things leak. So I'm hoping I did not get a leaky egg. I need to undo the tape. Okay, there's tape on both sides. Where's my Harry Potter letter opener? There we go. I think I got it. No. Oh, you know what? There's tape everywhere. There's tape on the top and the bottom, I think, on this. Yeah. Okay, and there's tape on the bottom. Okay, I finally did it. I got it. I got my egg. Okay, we're gonna do a big, a big egg reveal. I forgot that. I forgot they put all of the peanuts in here. Okay, so we're gonna do oh my gosh, you guys. We're gonna do a slow egg reveal. Okay, I got the top off. Check it out. I got the top off. These are fun to save, by the way. And now I've got this giant thing of peanuts here, so I'm gonna try and take these off. You wonder why my desk is a mess all the time? This is why, because I got all this stuff going on. Oh yeah. So the problem with the gifts with Lush is sometimes things, what the heck? Sometimes things get a little messy. So the only problem is, like, if you're gifting this to someone, it doesn't always look good. You kind of have to explain to them Lush. So the first thing I'm seeing here is the bunny. So this is supposed to be bubblegum soap. It smells just like Snow Fairy. It's Snow Fairy. I got news for you. It's Snow Fairy. But my Rockstar bunny has got some blue powder all over it. And I think it's from this, maybe? This is a bubble bar. Little carrot bubble bar there, and I got two of them. But this is a little bit of a problem with Lush. See, this is like all messy. But again, the cleanup is usually pretty easy. The Halloween ones you got to be a little bit careful with because Halloween, if there's like the black bat, it gets really messy. So I did get the golden egg shower gel in here. It's supposed to be a honey scented lather, and it is super glittery. Oh my gosh, that is like super honey. That smells good. Holy moly, that smells good. Yeah, this is a total win. And it's a super glittery shower gel. So it's kind of fun to put in an Easter basket. I mean, a lot of people are dazzled by the Lush. Okay, so next up we have well, actually there's a little piece of paper in here saying what's inside, and let's see. Next up we have Henny Penny, which is this adorable little blue and orange. This is the bubble bar. Again, a lot of the blue has gotten all over this product. One thing I do wish that Lush did, I know they don't like doing excess packaging, and I get that, but it is a little bit disconcerting if you're new to Lush to see like the dust all over everything, because a lot of people are like, it doesn't look good. You can kind of like clean it up a little bit though. So that is super cute. I also got, oh yeah, see this is messy. I also got the Follow the White Rabbit, which is a bath bomb. That smells amazing. And I'm seeing now the dust in the bottom, and where it came from, I think is this blue egg. So this is the popping candy, the flamingo egg. And I'll do a sync demo of this, but what happens is you can hear the really popping when you put these in the bathtub. They're fun. People love these. The pink and the blue mixed together, and you get a nice purple, which you can now see in the bottom of my egg. So you can see, look at all this dust. Here, wait, let me get the peanuts out here. And like I said, it doesn't bother me as much because I've been using Lush for so long. But if you were to get this like as a gift, check out the dust in there. I don't know if they actually put a disclaimer on here like, hey, look at the dust. A whole lot of love has gone into this package. Every product inside is handcrafted from fresh, ethically sourced vegetarian ingredients, and every compound of the packaging has been meticulously sourced. The packing materials are biodegradable. So I usually give Lush a little bit of leeway when it comes to, you know, the dust, because it's kind of one thing that I've grown to expect, and it's kind of cute. In here it says, this gift was packed lovingly by Sarah's team. And I do know that the Lush workers do put a lot of care and effort into packing them, and sometimes it just gets jostled when you're, you know, UPS or whatever. It's not even, packages get moved around. So what I usually do is I've dumped the dust out, and then I've kind of gone like that and put everything back in. That is Snow Fairy, I think. And you can kind of see now how cute everything looks when I put it back in my golden egg. See, everything is there. So, it's one of those things that you just kind of get used to with Lush. Unless it's like broken or really, really like disastrous, I won't call Lush customer service. I had one over Halloween one time, and it was black bat, and it just shattered all over the place, and it just looked like disaster. So I did call Lush about that one, but this one's actually not bad. So super cute egg. It's fun. They're super giftable. It's a nice alternative to candy for Easter. And if you've never had Lush before, they're really fun. But I've been using Lush now for about 7 or 8 years, and I continue to use them. I got Lush Kitchen for you for March. We got to do Lush Kitchen, and then I'm going to be doing a couple of like demos on these products so you can see them up close and personal. I just did the gummy bear shower jelly in a little YouTube short. That's always fun, but I'll be showing you guys the rest of this. So anyway, let me know what you think of Lush Easter this year. We still have a Scooby-Doo mystery going on with that egg. I gotta figure out that egg. Anyway, I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.